Jeremiah Poland. Music, he put me up with the music right here. That was cute, DJ. I want to say my name. All right, we do it again, DJ. Give it up for DJ Nice Guy on the motherfucking 1 to 2. Give it up for your whole audience from Northside Pontiac, Jeremiah Poland. All right, yes. Yes. Thank you. Oh, please, sit down, please. No, you're too kind. No, you're too kind. Just have a seat. Please, oh, no, please, no, ma'am, no, I'm sorry. I know, no, it's okay. I love you. I know. It's been a while. I know. Oh, no, all y'all, just go back. All y'all, just go back. Have a seat. All y'all, everybody, just go have a seat. All right, thank y'all. Good evening, everybody. All right, thank you. Everybody settle down. Whew, that was crazy. It's packed in this bitch. Had to fight through the crowd to make it all the way up here and shit. It's packed in this motherfucker. In your mind, you gotta visualize this motherfucker with a lot of people in this bitch. That's what you gotta do. Y'all ain't text nobody? Y'all ain't text nobody and let them know where y'all was coming? Y'all just came up in here just like, fuck, we gonna go? Y'all ain't tell nobody? You holding seats for niggas? Oh, you just keep moving seats, nigga. Okay, yeah, just turn the coat around, shit like that. Yeah, make it look like you waiting for said motherfucker. You ever holding 5 seats? I got 5 people coming. Here come 2 people. Oh, one of them is comedian. They don't count. Okay. Y'all all right? Let me say yeah. Yeah. You didn't have to say yeah. I was just asking. I mean, if you was the